Our right to self-expression. It is right to enjoy life. It is normal and natural to desire a more abundant life. Jesus said, "I am come that they might have life, and that they might have it more abundantly." In the unity of humankind with spirit, there can be no lack or limitation. Each of us is entitled to all that our Father has. The realization that God is an infinite source is dawning upon our awakened thought, expanding our acceptance of greater abundance and dispelling all lack. This impartation of livingness to everything is the very nature of the God who gives. Selfishness enters only when our good would exclude or hurt others. Nothing is selfish if it is done from the viewpoint of expressing the hidden splendor in all things, revealing it through all things and in all occasions. It is this more abundant life that we all seek, and we have a right to experience it. We have a right to be filled with joy, to desire the good things of life, to expect manna from heaven, and good from every source. But at the same time, we must know that good is not for us alone. Today, I express myself with joy and enthusiasm. I want to live more abundantly, and I accept such possibility. I want to look more deeply into the heart of all people, finding there the pulsation of the heart of the universe. I want to penetrate all externals and reveal the divine presence hidden there. I know in my self-expression of the abundant of the whole, there is nothing mean or little. Nothing separates from the all good. As I lift high the chalice of my hope and faith, I know that it will overflow, that everything I do will be blessed, that every good I seek will be expressed through me. Everyone I meet will proclaim that God is expressing through all humanity and rejoicing in that which He does. Ye shall eat your bread to the full, and dwell in your land safely. Leviticus 26:5.